Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And guys, today we will be preparing some seafood soup. And for this soup I will be using some crayfish, some shrimps, them frozen guys, but some conch, adding pumpkin and corn and scotch bonnets. What is soup without scotch bonnets? Some chopped carrot, adding Irish fish soup mix and pumpkin soup mix, and some little small dumplings, and I'm not sure if I will be adding yam as yet, but as we go along we will see. So guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, so we're getting to the final stage of soup now. Final touchdown. I'll be adding a little fish seasoning, a little black pepper, a grace soup mix. This is then the pumpkin and the fish tea as you see in the previous videos, in the previous clip. And this is my scallion and my thyme and my pepper. I'll be adding it to the soup shortly. Yes guys, the soup is coming to an end. You know the landing time to plate and drink. We're coming to that stage, so stay tuned. Okay people, so this is the soup all ready to plate. Guys, remember you can try this at home, and this soup and strong back soup for the man them. So the man them check in panda soup here and make this soup at home. Okay guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to plate this tasty delicious soup right now people, and show you strong back soup, seafood soup all ready to go. So people, this is the soup plated and ready to grub. So guys, thank you for staying tuned. If you reached this far in the video, thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for coming back. Remember to share with a friend, tell a friend to like, share and subscribe to our channel as we bring you our what kind of videos now, as we bring you these great cooking videos on our channel to help you guys at home. Remember to try this soup at home, the stamina soup, the strong back soup, the seafood soup. Thank you for staying tuned. Until then, see you guys in my next video. Bye.